So guys, I'm going to put different toppings, so you can go ahead and do the same.
Back topping, fillings, layers. Or do you like nuts? This is pecan cheesecake, strawberries, and this is different mission of chocolate.
Show you guys how succulent is this. So it's hello friends, you are welcome back to my channel, friends. Thank you so much, friends, for watching. In today's video I would like to share this recipe with you guys. This recipe is called Irish Baileys cake, typical Irish Baileys cake, and I would like to just make it with you guys. I have a visitors and I have a request for YouTube as well to make an Irish cheesecake, so I just decided let me make it today. On the day duty, so I just came back from my work. I just said let me quickly make this with you guys. So if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, share this video with your friends, with your loved one. Guys, as usual, my kids, they're at home, and my friend children, they're here as well. I might not be able to speak. My lovely background music as usual, but if they behave, I might talk you through. But let's just take the opportunity. So one step before another. So guys, consider yourself to subscribe and share this video. Thank you so much. So guys, the first ingredient is 250 grams of digestive plain biscuits. You can get yourself the one with chocolate, but I normally, typical Irish Baileys cheesecake is always be digestive biscuits, and along with 125 grams of met margarine Irish butter. So I'm going to go ahead now, guys. I'm going to, is it that you can use blender or you can use, I'm going to be using it. Guys, I'm going to be using 300 grams of mascarpone, means soft cheese. We use it as well to make pasta sauce. I'm going to be making pasta sauce here on my YouTube one day with mascarpone. Very yummy, guys. So mascarpone means soft cheese, thick and very thick cheese, and we're going to be using 350 grams, just dressing for. So we are going to use three. The reason why I love Baileys cake is very easy, under 3 minutes. If I'm not on the camera, I could make it finished quick. It's cheap, it's very straightforward recipe. I'm going to be leaving the recipe along, then I will try my possible best to be making it. We've done the base, and here we are doing the layers using a tiny bit of cooking brand guide that you want, okay? So you don't have to get my brand, alright? So this is it. So we are going to be mixing it together. So guys, at this point we are going to be adding Irish Baileys cream. Okay, so we are going to be adding like 2 tablespoons of Irish Baileys. You can add gin at this point, but I just want to taste Baileys. That is why I'm making this. I want Irish cheesecake, so equivalent of 2 tablespoons of Irish Baileys. So guys, I'm going to, yes, I can taste Baileys. Yeah. So guys, at this point I'm going to be adding Irish cream. You can get any brand, but today is Irish Baileys cake, Irish cheese Baileys cake, Irish Baileys cake. That's what I'm making today, guys. So you get a fresh Irish cream. I love this brand. I don't know why. I love baking, guys. So if you're a busy mother like me, you love baking. So I just, for my Baileys, for my Irish Baileys cake, I normally careful with the Irish cream. So I'm going to be using 3 tablespoons of Irish cream. So the softness of this, guys, is gonna be yummy. Give it a go and let me know what you. At this point, so I left this in the fridge for roughly 7 minutes. Okay, so just for the consistency to just be hard or what. So guys, I'm going to go ahead to apply the layers, the fillings. This time around you can go ahead and so that's pecan dress, and one of our daughter wants chocolate, so you can go ahead and put any dressing you want. So guys, this is mix of chocolate pecan, and this is mix of chocolate, and this is plain pecan. You can put nut as well, so you can do any dressing you want. Like for my baby girl, she wants a little bit of coca, so you can just fashion yourself. So guys, I want you to tell me which one do you prefer. This is the coca topping, fillings, layers, or do you like the nuts? This is pecan cheesecake, stroke Baileys, and this is different mixture of chocolate. Guys, I want you to leave the comments below. I want you to tell me your favorites. Which one is your favorite, guys? Show you guys how succulent is this. So it's very easy to cut. So give it a go, guys, and let me know what you guys think. And I'm going to go ahead and serve it. So please subscribe to this channel and share this video with your loved one. It's very nice, easy dessert to make with family. So subscribe, share this video, and stay blessed. Bye for now.